Okay guys, so we are going to make a zucchini and tomato choker. So what we're going to do is do this a little different. We're not going to do this the traditional way. What we're going to do is roast our zucchini, tomato, 2 seasoning peppers and garlic in the oven. So I'm going to be putting it in my cast iron pan here, and I'm going to be roasting it in the oven. So I already washed everything, so it's just a matter of cutting it and putting it in the cast iron skillet. Okay? Right, what I'm going to do is cut this in half and then slice it down the middle. Good. So what I'm going to do is, here I have my cast iron skillet. I put a little bit of olive oil in the skillet. So what I'm going to do is sprinkle a little salt at the bottom here, and then I'm going to lay the vegetables in, and then we're going to roast it. I have my oven preheating at 400 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Right? Not too much, just a little. When we finish roasting and we cut up everything and we're going to cook it back in this cast iron, you can always add more salt as needed, okay? But now we're just going to be focusing on roasting everything. Alright, so this goes into our oven now. Okay guys, so as you can see, our vegetables have finished roasting. Now to make it easier, I am just going to cut everything up in here. I'm going to add some olive oil, and I'm just going to cook this up right in here and add some salt. Now traditionally, what would have happened is that this would have been roasted, and then you would have put it in a bowl or something. Then you would have heated some oil and poured the oil over it. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to cut this up in here and then add the olive oil to it, and then just add salt as needed. It's roasted nicely, it's nice and soft. Of course, if you wanted it spicy, you could have put a Scotch bonnet pepper or some chili peppers. My peppers roasted a little too much, as you can see. And my garlic too. Roasted a little too much. Get this one here. Nope, this one is roasted too much. I'm going to add a little olive oil to act as a gravy. So we can say this is a modified zucchini and tomato choker. Somebody's trying to get away. All right, let me just taste a little of the salt. Do I need to add salt? I don't. Let's try another piece, just to be sure. Come on. It's kind of nice little piece. Right, maybe just a little sprinkling. But there you have it, folks. Our zucchini and tomato choker.